I had a heart attack and almost died. Thanks to this now my heart is much better. This is a testimony of a 55-year-old man. Today we share your wisdom in this video. The heart is one of the most important organs in our body and we must take its care very seriously, as a complication of health in the heart can be very difficult to treat and lead to a rather delicate situation. That is why we must begin to take into account the things that hurt our heart and try as far as possible to avoid them, and pay attention to those that can provide us with a benefit. Food is a key factor in maintaining good heart health, as there are foods saturated in fats that are very harmful and can lead to an obstruction in our arteries, which is a serious situation. But just as there are foods that are harmful to our heart, there are others that can help us cure or prevent it. In this case we will talk about garlic and lemon. We will teach you a way to use them that can cure you of any heart disease. By joining these two ingredients you immediately create a natural remedy that can effectively lower blood cholesterol and improve blood circulation, as it cleans arteries, and improves the spread of fats. To consume the lemon and the garlic, you have the following options. Remedy number 1. Ingredients: garlic juice, lemon juice, a measure of apple cider vinegar, ginger juice. Preparation: put all the ingredients in a pot and boil them for 30 minutes. Wait for them to cool and add 3 measures of honey, mixing until the ingredients are well integrated and refrigerated in a container. You should drink a spoonful of this drink daily before having breakfast. Remedy number 2. Ingredients: 5 lemons, 30 garlic cloves. Preparation: peel and chop the garlic and lemons. Place in the blender along with a little water and liquefy until they are integrated. Then add the mixture to a pot and add 2 liters of water. Bring to a boil and then simmer and cook for another 5 minutes. Finally, wait for it to cool and place the mixture in a glass container and store it in the refrigerator. Take 1 tablespoon of this remedy daily for 3 weeks in a row, then stop the treatment 1 week and continue for another.